Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood to make money. Open an account, verify identity, and fund it using bank transfer or wire. Learn to research stocks, ETF, and options with clear criteria. Set a simple plan for risk, position size, and stop losses. Use recurring investments and dividend reinvestment for steady growth. Track performance weekly and adjust strategy based on clear rules and goals. Start with a few reliable strategies that fit your risk tolerance. Dollar cost averaging smooths entries, while diversification limits single stock shocks. Use limit orders to control prices and set stop losses to cap downside. Consider dividend stocks for passive income and ETFs for broad exposure. Keep position sizes small relative to your total capital to avoid ruin. Review outcomes monthly and refine rules based on measurable results. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video, it really helps. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is my go-to for a fresh ride after long commutes or tense trading sessions. It lightens the mood. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When you're ready, explore options and margin carefully and only with a tested plan. Start with defined risk positions like vertical spreads and paper trade before risking capital. Monitor commissions, fees, and tax implications to protect net returns. Keep a trading journal to learn from wins and losses and focus on process over single trades. Stay disciplined with position sizing and adapt to market regime changes thoughtfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.